Hi guys, this is Sai Krishna from Salesforce Radical, and today we'll be learning about a simple functionality which is on trigger. Say for example, if any record is being inserted into Salesforce database, before it being inserted, we are going to write a simple trigger that which fires on defaultly providing a value to the records one of the field. If the user has provided any null value, we provide a value to its field, or if he has provided a value, we override that particular value and provide the same value which we require. Okay, and we would be choosing accounts today as the record which is going to be inserted, and the field to be the website of this particular record. Okay, now to override any particular website name on this particular website field, all you require is to write a simple trigger. I go to the setup over here, search for accounts over here, you have triggers, click on new. I have a simple syntax which is being built over here. I give a particular name which is update website field, and the events which are provided are simply the requirement states that before any record being inserted. So before, I go ahead and giving before insert of any particular record. So now the DML operation is happening on accounts object. Like the requirement was on accounts object. Like whenever an account has been or about to be inserted into the Salesforce database, provide its website field value to be Salesforce Radical blogspot.com. So I go for writing our code in such a manner. I create a for loop which iterates on all the incoming records. Okay, trigger.new is a list which trigger.new is a list which contains all the incoming records, and we iterate through each of the record in this for loop using this particular variable ACC. So for every record means variable dot the field value, the field API name, I want to provide it a value like Salesforce Radical dot blogspot.com. Simple, and click on save. And now I go ahead and creating an account record, going for new account record, which is something like Dell laptop record new, and I'm not providing any field in the website. Okay, I go and click on save. You can see that my value has been updated with Salesforce Radical blogspot.com. Override it with the null value. If I go ahead and providing a value to that particular field, which would be Samsung new record, and I go with google.com, you can see, and I'm saving this record. You can see clearly once the record has been created, you can see it has been the google.com value has been overridden with Salesforce Radical Blogspot, and it has been saved. And if at all the requirement is such that on even update also you need to do this, you can just go ahead and clearly mention that before update and click on save. And now when I go and already created record, so that the defaultly whether on update or on insert, the user changes its value Amazon.com. I'm providing Amazon.com and clicking on save, but you can see that it is provided with the same our default value, which is Salesforce Radical Blogspot.com. So whether or not the user inserts or updates any particular record, the default value is going to be our own value. That's it. A simple rigor which is written on an accounts record. Thank you. Have a great day.